हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज मैं आपके लिए कैलेंडर से रिलेटेड वीडियो लेके आई हूँ जिसमें हम देखेंगे कि कैलेंडर के बेसिक पॉइंट्स क्या हैं और किस तरह से कैलेंडर के क्वेश्चंस को सॉल्व करते हैं। आज की इस वीडियो से आप मिनटों में कैलेंडर के क्वेश्चंस सॉल्व कर पाएंगे। यह आपको आपके कंपटीशन एग्ज़ाम्स में हेल्प करेगा। सो गेट रेडी फॉर नॉलेज इन सेकेंड्स। सो स्टार्ट विथ अ बेसिक नॉलेज। In a normal year, there are 365 days, 52 weeks and one odd day. February of normal year have 28 days. In a leap year, 366 days are there, 52 weeks and 2 odd days are there. February of leap year have 29 days. Every 4 year is a leap year like 2020, 2016, 2012, etc. Now we see the table of odd days. Day and odd days. Sunday we have 0 odd days. Monday we have 1 odd day. On Tuesday we have 2 odd days, and Wednesday 3 odd days, Thursday 4 odd days, Friday 5 odd days, Saturday 6 odd days. So let's move to our first question, that is, what was the day on 25th January 2015? So solution starts from dividing the days, month and year. Here given date is 25th January, so in days we take 25 and in month we take 0 because January isn't completed yet, and in year we take 2014 because 2014 is a completed year but 2015 isn't completed yet. So now we divide 25 by 7 because every week have 7 days. That's why we divide 25 by 7. Now we divide 2014 in two parts, 2000 plus 14. Here I want to add the fact that every 100 years that we call century has 5 odd days, and every 400 years have no odd days, and similarly 800 years have no odd days, 1600 years have no odd days, similarly 2000 years have no odd days. That's why here we written 2000 year have 0 odd day. Now 14 years are left, which we divided by 4 just to check how many leap years are there. So we divide 14 by 4, by which we got 3 leap years, and we know that every leap year has 2 odd days. 3 into 2 equals to 6, and remaining 11 non-leap years we multiply it by 1 because non-leap year has only single odd day, by which we get 11 into 1, 11. We add 6 and 11, by which we get 17 odd days. Now we sum up all the odd days which we get. 4 plus 0 plus 0 plus 17, which total is 21 odd days. Now 21 is divided by 7 because every week has 7 days in a week. So we divide it by 7, by which we get 0 odd days because 21 is the multiple of 7. So there is no remaining odd days. That's why on 25th January 2015 it was Sunday. So now we are going to our next question, that is, it was Sunday on Jan 1st 2006. So what was the day on Jan 1 2010? Here given date is Jan 1 2006. So day is 1, month is 0 and year is 2005. Now year 2005 is divided in two parts, 2000 plus 5, where 2000 give us 0 odd days and 5 is divided by 4 just to check how many leap years are there in 5 years. So 5 is divided by 4, which gives us 1 leap year and 4 non-leap year. So 1 leap year is multiplied by 2, which gives us 2 odd day, and 4 non-leap year multiplied by 1, so it gives us 4 odd days. By adding both we get 6 odd days. Now we add all the days and we got the sum of 7. Now this 7 is divided by 7 and we got 0 odd days. That's why it was confirmed that on Jan 1 2006 it was Sunday. So now we go for further process, which is we are checking for the date Jan 1 2010. Now day is 1, month is 0 and year is 2009. Similarly, we divide 2009 in two parts, 2000 plus 9, where 2000 gives 0 odd day and 9 is divided by 4 just to check how many leap years are there. Here we got 2 leap years and 7 non-leap years. 2 leap years are multiplied by 2 and we got 4 odd days, and non-leap year is multiplied by 1 and we got 7 odd days. By adding them we get 11 odd days. So the sum of all the odd days is 1 plus 0 plus 0 plus 11 equals to 12 odd days. These 12 odd days are divided by 7 and we got 5 odd days. So by this 5 odd days we get to know that on 1 Jan 2010 it was Friday. So friends, do comment if you have any doubt regarding these questions, and if you do comments about it then I make another video for that. So we are moving ahead. Our next question is, what was the day on 17th May 1992? Here the given date is 17th May 1992. Days are 17 and here months are January, February, March, April, which are completed. January gives us 3 odd days, February gives us 1 odd day, March gives us 3 odd day and April gives us 2 odd day. February gives us 1 odd day because 1992 is a leap year. That's why it gives 1 odd day. Otherwise non-leap year gives February 0 odd day. In year section we took 1991. Divide 1991 in 3 parts. 1600 plus 300 plus 91. Here 1600 is the multiple of 400, that's why it gives us 0 odd day. 300 give us 1 odd day and 91 is divided into 2 parts in which we get 22 leap years and 69 non-leap years. 22 leap years is multiplied by 2 which give us 44 odd days, and 69 non-leap years is multiplied by 1 which give us 69 odd days. By summing up all the odd days of year section we got 113 odd days. Now sum up all the days. 17 plus 9 plus 113, which is 139. Now these 139 days are divided by 7 and we got 6 odd days left. So on 17th May 1992 it was Sunday. So this is our last question. So if you understand all the things, do like, share, comment and please share as much as you can. So stay tuned with this channel to get much more knowledge in seconds. Thank you.